Now, y'all already know what time it is. It is time for the mess. So let's get into it, you guys. And what's going on, you guys? It's be your boy, Scotty by Nature TV, and we're here for a brand new episode of Yes for the Mess, where we talk about celebrity gossip, hot topics, and all things reality TV based. What is going on, you guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful hump day, and I definitely plan on doing the same. And I hope you guys are receiving a lot of hump day pictures today, because that's what this day is for. The humps and the bump. Okay. So with that being said, before we get into today's mess, let's talk about what we got coming up on the platform. Okay. Now, as you guys already know, that the Real Housewives of Atlanta returns to TV on May the 7th, which means that your favorite Housewives panel, the Whether You Like It or Not panel, will be returning on May the 8th, starring Scotty by Nature TV, giving you the real tea, Josiah's World TV, Yakratis, Really Be TV, and Simply Sakina, featuring special guests Reggie Ortiz, Aaron Wildsout, and L Teddy 27. Make sure you guys tune in on May the 8th, and it starts right here where it all started from the very beginning, Scotty by Nature TV. So make sure you guys tune in. Also, if you guys are into the LGBT web series world, there's a web series by the name of Chasing Dallas that airs every Thursday on Chasing Reality. And I do a panel on this particular web series every Thursday night. And it stars myself, T, Jamar, Carl, Jeremy, and Tramel. So make sure you guys tune in for that, because we have a lovely, lovely time and we have fun when we're talking about it. All right. So with that being said, you guys, that's pretty much all for the mess that we got right now. So we're going to go ahead and get into the tea today. All right. Now, the first things first, we're going to start off by talking about Miss Eva Marcille and Michael Sterling. Okay. Because you already know they've been in the blogs already for being estranged, and, Eva filing for divorce. And then, Michael Sterling came out and said, well, regardless of what my wife is saying, I'm going to fight for my marriage. Like, I'm going to fight for my marriage. I don't care what nobody got to say about it. I'm going to fight for my marriage. And because I want my wife back. I want my wife back in my life. Now, that's what he said. However, now, according to the Jasmine brand, he's speaking out after hiring a divorce lawyer, despite his recent vow to fight for his marriage, and says that his attention and priority still remains on his family. Okay. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this article from thejasminebrand.com. Now, it says that Michael Sterling has hired a divorce attorney, but that doesn't mean that he's given up hope that his marriage can be saved. Now, in a statement exclusively shared with the Jasmine brand, attorney Crystal Holmes, who is now representing Michael Sterling in his divorce proceedings, clarified that her client is still thinking about what's best for his family. Michael Sterling's focus and attention and priority remains on his family and saving his marriage to his wife, Eva Sterling. As an experienced lawyer, however, Michael understands the legal requirement that he is obligated to respond to the divorce petition in a court of law. Michael has retained me to manage his legal obligations with the court while he focuses on his marriage and his 3 children. Holmes added, we ask that you respect the parties' privacy as they deal with this sensitive family matter. Now, as previously reported, model and actress Eva Marcille recently filed court documents to dissolve her marriage to Michael Sterling, ending their union after nearly 5 years. Reportedly, the former Real Housewives of Atlanta star filed the divorce petition on March the 23rd in the Superior Court of Fulton County in Georgia. In the legal documents, Eva cited the marriage being irretrievably broken with no prospects for a reconciliation. Eva reportedly wants primary custody and child support from Michael. In addition, the Bravo alum asked that Michael be ordered to contribute to the care and maintenance of their children, including medical bills. The All the Queen's Men actress released a statement about her split and said, this has been one of the hardest decisions I have ever had to make, but sometimes life takes you on a journey in a direction that you were not expecting. Our children remain our biggest priority, and the 8.5 years we have spent together will always be cherished. We ask that you respect our privacy at this time. Michael Sterling released his own statement vowing to win Eva back. He exclusively told the Jasmine brand, I am not going to lose my wife. I am going to fight for her with every fiber in my being. I love her, and I plan to show her how much I love her and that our love is strong enough to get to the other side. Eva and Michael tied the knot in 2018 and they share 3 children together: Michael Sterling Jr., Maverick Sterling, and Marley Sterling. Eva had Marley with her ex Kevin McCall. However, Michael adopted her as his own. Okay, so that was pretty much the situation at hand with Eva and Michael. Now, it looks to me like he's hiring a lawyer, but he's not hiring a lawyer to fight, Eva on his divorce. He's really hiring a lawyer to handle his legal proceedings and things of that nature because he really doesn't want his marriage to Eva to end. But it looks like Eva wants the marriage on her side to end. But we really don't know what's going on. Like, they ain't really went into no details and stuff like that. Like, you hear certain things, like you hear that, Michael possibly cheated on Eva, and that's why Eva don't want to be with him no more. As you can see, she filed for full custody of the damn kids. So it's just like, okay, so what's really going on in this situation? But at the same time, though, it's kind of like, okay, so you really want to fight for his marriage. Like, we can always respect a man that wants to fight for his marriage. I can tell you that much. Like, because there's a lot of men that don't really fight for their marriage and don't really give a damn about fighting for their marriage, but he really wants this thing to work out between him and Eva. And that's just how I feel about that. So I don't know. I'm not going to keep my opinions to myself right now. But I don't know, but it looks like Eva wants out, but Michael really wants to work on the marriage. I really wonder what really happened between the two of them for Eva to want to, proceed with the divorce. I really wonder what happened. And I really hope that someone tells me something because I need to know the tea. Because, it's kind of weird that you got one person that wants to continue on with this divorce, but then you got somebody else who's kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Well, no. She filed, but I don't want a divorce. I want to make this thing work out with me and my wife. So that's what he's doing right now. So all I can say is we just got to sit back and wait and see what's really going on with this situation. That's all I can say. But that is the news on Eva Marcille and Michael Sterling. Now let's go on to the last topic. And this last topic is this lady here. Now, the Real Housewives of Potomac is filming their new season. They're filming season 8 right now as we speak. I think they've been filming for the last month now. And as you guys know, that the other day I did a story about Deborah filming for the show or whatever. So we really don't know what's the gist is of that right now. But we do know that Deborah is filming for the show. However, there's a new girl on the block right now. This is a new girl, okay? And apparently she's joining the show as a full-time housewife. And this comes straight from TV Deets. Now, TV Deets is always giving us the tea. So shout out to TV Deets, honey. Okay, they always have the tea. So this is the thing with them. I can't pronounce her name. I'm just gonna call her Nneka, child, because that's how it's spelled. But it says that Nneka is joining the Real Housewives of Potomac season 8 as a full-time housewife. Sources tell TVDs exclusively. Now, Nneka was born in Boston, but she's a Nigerian at heart. She's a licensed attorney, and she met the cast at Ashley's housewarming. She's married to a doctor. She owns a champagne line, and she has previously worked as a CNN correspondent. Okay, so it looks like she's joining as a full-time housewife. So that's pretty much the gist of this tea right here in regards to Real Housewives of Potomac. But the question is the Housewives of Potomac getting 8 housewives, or is somebody being replaced? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Are they getting 8 housewives? And is somebody being replaced or what? Because there were rumors now. You do know that there were rumors now. There were rumors going around talking about there was a possibility that Wendy could be fired. You know what I mean? There was rumors going around talking about Robin being fired. Like, we've been hearing a lot of rumors in regards to what's to come with season 8 of The Real Housewives of Potomac. Now, would I be mad if Robin was fired? Absolutely not. I would not be mad. Now, I would be mad if Wendy is fired because I love Wendy. And I actually grown to love Wendy. It started off with me not really liking her. I was calling her fo for fo and all types of stuff when she first came on the show. Because I called her fo for fo because she always talked about her 4 degrees all the time. And she just irked me at the very beginning. But then that second season she was on, I grew to like her. But this last season made me love her. Okay, so shout out to Wendy and stuff like that. But we don't know what's really going on. But I mean, if the Housewives of Beverly Hills can have 8 housewives, then why not Potomac? But then again, why do y'all give Potomac 7 and Beverly Hills 8, but you only give Atlanta 6? Like, why can't we have 7 or 8 housewives on Atlanta? Atlanta's always disrespected. Always. But it's going to be very interesting to see that this new girl is another Nigerian on the show. She was also a correspondent on CNN, is kind of in the same vein as Wendy. She's basically another Wendy, so to speak. But I want to see what she brings. Because, these Nigerian women do be turning shit upside down. I mean, Wendy, OG, these Nigerian women really do be turning this shit up. I don't know why they do, but they do. But I want to know what she gonna bring. I really do. But there was another rumor out there saying that one of Karen's friends by the name of Vivian was also testing to be either a housewife or a friend of. And then on top of that, I see that Charisse is still filming with the cast. So obviously, Miss Cafeteria Worker is coming back too. So I don't know what season 8 is gonna give, because season 7, I don't know, that was a mess. So we got to see what they're going to give. And there's a lot of content creators that are saying that they're no longer reviewing Potomac. I think Erica De Niro said she wasn't doing it. And I love her Potomac videos, like, period. Like, I love Erica's Potomac videos all the time. Like, I may not agree with her on everything, but Erica De Niro's probably one of my number one sources for Potomac reviews, because she's hella entertaining to me when it comes down to Potomac. But she's probably the only one that I remember saying that she wasn't going to review it anymore. But other than that, I hope she changes her mind. But we're gonna see what this gives. We're gonna see what it gives, though. I want to see what she brings. I want to see how she plays with the girls and stuff like that. Like, I really want to see how that goes down. So with that being said, y'all, that's pretty much it for today. Be sure to like, rate, comment, subscribe, share this video. Also click on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever a video drops. And if you want to follow me on any form of social media, my Twitter, Instagram, and my TikTok will be down below in the description box. There will be more videos to come as the day goes on, so make sure you continue to watch out for your notifications and all that good stuff, because there will be more videos. I think you guys are going to get at least 2 more videos. And then later on today, I do a collaboration with someone today. They should be announcing it at some point, but yes, I will be doing a collab with 2 other content creators today on somebody else's platform. So make sure you guys are ready for that. All right. So with that being said, you guys, I'm out of here. Until my next video, I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Rest in peace, Danita, and I'll talk to y'all then. Bye.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Tremel. I just wanted to say that I have a new project that's out. It's called Mixed Feelings. It's on all streaming platforms. I would hope that you would go and check it out. It's a really good feel of an album. It's got everything you need and more. It's got R&B, it's got a little bit of pop, it's got a little bit of hip hop. It's everything that you need and more. It's out all streaming platforms, like I said. Please check me out, and you can also follow me at IAM_Tremel. That's IAM_TRAMEL. Check me out. I hope to hear from you.